Online Math Tutors presents Writing Algebraic Sentences. We want to be able to turn English sentences into algebraic sentences. We need to find the simple sentence in English, and we want to be able to discover words for the four basic operations. What words in a word problem tell you to add or subtract, multiply or divide? And we're going to practice writing some algebraic sentences. An English sentence contains a subject, a verb, and a simple object. In algebra, an algebraic sentence contains a left side, an equal sign, and a right side. To turn an English sentence into an equation, we need to find the verb and then use signs and symbols to translate the English words into an algebraic sentence. Everything in the English sentence that comes in front of the verb is on the left side. The verb is the equal sign, and everything that comes after the verb is on the right side of the equation. We know that left side equals right side. Here are some examples. First, we have to find the verb and then identify the left side and the right side. Example 1. The product of two consecutive numbers is 12. Our first step is to find the verb. In English, the verb is, so that will become our equal sign. Everything on the left side will be the part that comes before the word is. So the product of two consecutive numbers must be written down first. That's the left side of the equation. Is the equal sign, and the right side is 12. Everything that comes on the left side of the verb would be the right side of the equation. So the product of two consecutive numbers comes first. Product means multiply. So we take the two consecutive numbers, the first one is x, and the second one is x plus 1. We'll multiply them together, and that is equal to 12. A number divided by 4 is 10. Again, the verb is, so everything up to the word is goes on the left side. I've underlined it here for you. Then we have is, which is the verb, and then 10. To write a number divided by 4, we write n for the number, use the divide sign, by 4 equals 10. Example 3. The length of the rectangle is 7 more than the width. Once again, our verb is, so the equal sign will separate the sentence into the left side and the right side. All the words in front of the word is, the length of the rectangle, can be represented by an L. Is the equal sign, and then we have 7 more than the width. When we have more than, we have to put the number after the word, so width plus 7. Example 4. 3 consecutive numbers total 12. In this case, we don't have the word is, but we have the word total. Total is our verb. So the equal sign will come at the word total. Everything in front says the 3 consecutive numbers. and they total, so that means to add. We add up the three consecutive numbers, x, x plus 1, and x plus 2, equals 12. Number 5. 6 less than a number is 4. Once again, is our verb or our equal sign. In front of the word is says 6 less than a number. Again, the word than, less than, means we subtract 6 from the number. So n minus 6 equals 4. We're going to take a look at the same examples and their answers, and this time try to identify what word in the English sentence told us which operation to use. In example 1, we have the product of two consecutive numbers. Product means we need to multiply. That's why we multiplied x multiplied by x plus 1. A number divided by 4. The words divided by told us to use division. N divided by 4 equals 10. The length of the rectangle is 7 more than the width. The words more than told us to add 7 to the width. The word total, our verb in this sentence, tells us to add things up. Total means to find the total amount, to add them all up. And the last example, we use subtraction because the words less than told us to subtract 4 from a number. To subtract 6 from the number. 6 less than. N minus 6 equals 4. I hope you've learned a few things about how to write algebraic sentences, turning an English sentence into an equation. Learn more at Online Math Tutors. Go to www.onlinematthtutors.org. This video was created by Lucy Resources, April 2012.